Hand sanitizers, a very important thing for all of us in our daily life. There are multiple brands of it available in the market. The price range starts from 500 rupees to 3000 rupees and even more at times. But are you using the correct product? Does your hand sanitizer contain the recommended quantity of isopropyl alcohol in it? And how do you taste it? Let's find out all of this in this video. This is Oni and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Oni Online. There are multiple methods of testing a hand sanitizer at home, but what I will be telling you today, that is the very simple method. You can taste it with only a ballpoint pen and a piece of paper. So what you need to do is just take a piece of paper and write something on it on a ballpoint pen and spray the hand sanitizer in it, and if it contains the recommended quantity of isopropyl alcohol in it, the ballpoint pen ink will be dissolved completely. If the isopropyl alcohol quantity is less in your hand sanitizer, then there will be no change you can notice. So the more quantity of isopropyl alcohol, the ink will be dissolved more. So that is the basic principle you can use to taste your hand sanitizer. So without wasting any more time, let's see how to do it. For testing the hand sanitizers, I have taken Viroprotec Advanced Hand Sanitizer, which comes from a brand like Asian Paints, and here I have the Redkop hand sanitizers, which is a 5 liter jar, and this is a 1 liter bottle of Viroprotec. And here I have taken two pieces of paper. With one I will taste the Asian Paints Viroprotec Advanced Hand Sanitizer, and with this I will taste Redkop hand sanitizers. So let's start with the Viroprotec. So as you can see, Asian Paints Viroprotec hand sanitizer claims to have 75% of isopropyl alcohol. So just let me taste it. So to do the taste, I'll spray this hand sanitizer with this piece of paper, and if it has the recommended quantity of the isopropyl alcohol in it, so this ballpoint pen ink will be dissolved. So let's see what happens. So I am just spraying it, and yes, you can see it already started dissolving, and you can see how it goes. So just let it rest for a while, and in the meantime we'll start testing the Redkop hand sanitizer. So this is the piece of paper where I'll taste the Redkop hand sanitizer, and since this is a 5 liter jar and I cannot hold it in one hand, so I have arranged this spray mechanism here. Just let me open the lid. So yes, I have opened the caps. Now I'll just spray the Redkop hand sanitizer in this piece of paper, and you can see what happens. And see, the ink is not dissolved, and see, the sanitizers are moving around on the paper, but the ink is not dissolved. As you can see here, I think you can see it clearly. So this is the Redkop hand sanitizer. I sprayed it on the paper and the ink is not at all dissolved, and it is just like it was before spraying the Redkop hand sanitizer. And now let's check the Viroprotec again. So you can see the ballpoint pen ink is almost vanished where it was sprayed, and it is just like it was before spraying the hand sanitizer. So just let me show you both the paper together. So from this test we can clearly say that this Redkop hand sanitizer does not have the recommended alcohol content in it, though it claims to have 80% of alcohol content, and that is written over here if you can see. But this Asian Paints Viroprotec Advanced hand sanitizer has the recommended quantity of alcohol contents in it. As you can see, the ink is almost vanished, but here no change. So now you have seen how to taste a hand sanitizer, and you have seen the result also. So this is the Redkop hand sanitizer, and if you can see it clear on camera, yes. So the ballpoint ink is just it was before spraying the Red Cup hand sanitizer, but in case of Asian Paints Viroprotect hand sanitizer, it is completely dissolved. So you can clearly say that the Red Cup hand sanitizer does not have the required quantity of isopropyl alcohol in it, but this Asian Paints Viroprotect hand sanitizers has. So now you can taste any hand sanitizer you have at your home, and I request you to taste the hand sanitizer before start using it, just to make sure that you are using the correct product. So that's all for this video. If you have any question, please do let me know through the YouTube comment section below, or you can ask me directly through the Facebook page or the Twitter handle. If you have find this video helpful, please do hit the like button below. Also don't forget to share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. And guys, we have just completed 1000 subscriber mark, and a very big thanks to all of you for helping me in achieving this. Signing off, this is Oni, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay happy, stay blessed.